Hello, this is Mike D, and today I'm going to show you a very easy way to place some figures, some Genesis figures, to the audience or to the seats over here using some scripts. And in the same video, I'm going to show you how to populate the Genesis figure, creating some instances of all these figures in order to crowd the Unplugged Studio. First of all, you can see that I've got Genesis 9, Genesis 8.1 male, and a Genesis 8 female, a Genesis 3 female loaded into the scene, because the scripts can work with all Genesis 9, 8, and 3 generations. Now, let's say that I would like to place one of these figures into one of these audience seats. All I've got to do is just select one of these sheets, let's say this one at the lower corner, and all I've got to do is just execute the select a seat to move a figure script. A dialog will pop up and it will show me all the available figures I've got into the scene. Let's say that I would like to pose a Genesis 9 figure over there. And I will also select this checkbox saying apply the basic figure sitting pose as well. So, pressing the accept button, the script will move the Genesis 9 figure into this seat, and at the same time it will pose it in this very basic pose. Let's say now that I would like to pose another figure over here at the next seat. So the first thing I did was to select the seat and execute the script again. If you would like to exclude the seating figures, you can check this one, list only the figures at the 000 point of the scene, plus or minus 1 centimeter away. So in this, checking this option will exclude me the Genesis 9 figure because I have already posed it earlier. Let's check another figure over here. I'm going to check again the apply the basic pose, and here we are. I will do the same for the next seat. I'm going to check a Genesis 3 figure, apply the pose, and the last row I'm going to pose the last Genesis 1.1 male figure. And here we are. With a very easy way, I posed all the figures over here to the seats I would like. Now let's see how to populate all these figures in order to create some instances to fill my scene. For this reason, I'm going to use the second script over here, the crowd with figures instances. As I already have posed some Genesis figures in some sheets over here, and by executing the script, it will ask me which figures it should use. Let's say that I would like all these figures and I would like a capacity of 80%. Don't place any figure at an occupied taken seat. It means that it won't use the same seat in order to create an instance of another figure for the same seat. And all I've got to do is just press the button create figures instances. The script will take some time, not a lot of time. And as you can see now, I've got all these audience scenes filled with the Genesis figures. If you don't like the distribution of the instances, you can execute the script again. And now you can use the shuffle existing seating figures in order to change the position of the instances. I'm going to take the dialog over here in order to see what will happen. I'm pressing the shuffle the existing setting figures, and now I've got another distribution. You can repeat the same step as many times as you want in order to be happy with the result. I'm going to cancel it, and here we are. Of course, if you are not happy with some of the instances, you can select another empty seat, execute the first script again, and move another instance over here. Let's say I would like here to move a Genesis 9 instance. And here we are. I hope you like it.